So the next question is, are there any conditioners that are better than shea butter? Yes, there definitely are. So shea butter is a very famous butter. It has amazing moisturizing properties. It also has SPF properties. It helps prevent damage, split ends, a whole host of things. But for loads of people, shea butter can be a bit too heavy for people, me included. And so I prefer to use lighter weight alternatives. So for me, if we're looking at butters rather than conditioners, for me I prefer using mango butter, which is a lighter, creamier alternative to shea butter. I also like using Cupuacu butter, which is packed full of amazing vitamins. And again, it's a lighter weight butter for me compared to shea butter, but it's a very similar butter. It's less well known, but it's really great for hair growth, preventing damage, for so many things, kind of all the same things as shea butter, to be honest, but it just has a lot of vitamins. So I think butters aren't necessarily a conditioner, but they're just hard. they're a solid form of oils in a sense. So when you have an oil, and if you're cooking for example and you have an oil and then it kind of solidifies on the top, there's almost like a layer of fat. That's basically what it is. That's what butters are. So they are oils that have hardened, and they're perfect. They're really great. They can be really great for conditioning and moisturizing your hair, but conditioners for your hair should be water-based. So at That Good Hair we have a curl definition conditioner, we have a hair growth conditioner, and these all have amazing waters in them that hold so many benefits. So for our hair growth conditioner, for example, we use peppermint hydrosol. So peppermint hydrosol stimulates the scalp, it smells great, but it also really actually helps meet your hair goal of hair growth. So I think when you're looking for a conditioner, you want something that actually hydrates your hair rather than just seals in moisture, which is what oils do. Although it can impart loads of great benefits, I cannot doubt that, you do need something that's actually hydrating your hair to keep it healthy. Otherwise, using butters solely as a conditioner can just coat your hair, make it look really shiny, but it isn't actually giving it the hydration that it needs on the inside of the hair strands. So yeah, I would really suggest using a real conditioner, but in terms of butters, there are loads of other great butters out there, so you should definitely have a look. I love cocoa butter as well. Cocoa butter is a much denser, harder butter, so if you have coarser hair, you may want to give cocoa butter a try. It smells like chocolate, win-win. So yeah, there's loads of great other ingredients out there, but I think shea butter is currently very well known for great reasons, but definitely try and widen your butter portfolio and try out loads of different things.